Hey YouTube, my name is Kaci. Welcome to my channel. You probably found this video because you were looking for some videos on how to trade Forex, and lo and behold, I'm a Forex trader, so you're definitely in the right place. My cat has decided to make a cameo appearance in this video, so if he happens to walk by, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna let him be and let him do his thing. As I said, I am a Forex trader. I've been trading for about the past two and a half years. I really didn't get consistent with it till about a year ago, and I'm starting to see some consistency. I thought now would be a good time to put together a channel and maybe give some information that might be helpful to those of you who have just started trading, or you may have been trading for a while and you're struggling with a few things and you're looking for some different tools and tips that might get you to that next level. So to develop the skill and figure out what works, I'll definitely share that with you guys. I probably will only be uploading videos maybe once a week. And if there's anything you guys want to see specifically, let me know. But I'm just hoping to pay it forward by sharing information so that you can shorten your learning curve and you can get to the money faster. All right, y'all, I'm sorry. I had to put my glasses on. I couldn't see. But what you can expect to learn on this channel is anything that I've learned that ooh, man, quarantine has been bad on my nails. Jesus, my hands look like man hands. Ugh. Anyway, what you can expect to learn on this channel is going to be real simple. I spent a lot of time trying to figure it out. I went through several different methods and strategies and like just trying to dissect and break down the market, and I cost myself a lot of time. Not that anybody's in a rush, but it's really frustrating when you want to do something, you have the ability to do it, you just need the path in order to get there. And I didn't have that necessarily. So I wasted a lot of time. And what I'm hoping to do here on this channel is share with you guys the knowledge that I do have so that it can kind of shorten your learning curve. I've created some tools that's definitely stepped up my trading game. And I feel like I'm at a point where I could actually be of assistance to somebody and help them. So I'm hoping to do that with you guys, with content that I think is helpful. If you have questions about certain things, I'll be more than happy to share. Just keep in mind, I am always in the process of learning, but I do think I have something to give back to you guys. So I thank you for watching. I hope you tune in for the next video, and I will see you guys next time.